If you get into an accident today, is your dash cam actually saving the footage you need for insurance? A lot of people buy a cheap camera, only to realize it failed them when they needed it most. Today, we're counting down 5 of the best Wi-Fi dash cams you can buy, from a budget-friendly mirror cam to an advanced 3-channel system. And trust me, number 1 is seriously impressive. Starting at number 5 is the Wolfbox G840S. And this one is a little different from the rest because it's not just a traditional dash cam. It's a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror dash cam that gives you a huge display while also recording your drives. The front camera records in 4K while the rear camera records in 1080p. That means you're getting plenty of detail from the front while the rear camera helps reduce blind spots and gives you a better view behind the vehicle. It also comes with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can connect it to your phone, view recordings, and quickly transfer footage. There's also a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. Mirror cams like the Wolfbox are great for rear visibility, but what if you need security inside the car too? That brings us to number 4. At number 4 is the Rove R3. This is a great option for anyone who wants 3 cameras without making the system overly complicated. The Rove R3 records the front, cabin, and rear simultaneously. The front camera records up to 1440p, while the cabin and rear cameras record at 1080p. And for rideshare drivers, this setup makes a lot of sense because you can monitor what's happening both inside and outside the vehicle. The cabin camera also uses infrared LEDs, allowing it to record passengers even in very low light conditions. Then there's the 3-inch IPS touchscreen, which makes changing settings and reviewing footage much easier than relying entirely on your phone. You also get dual-band Wi-Fi, built-in quad-mode GPS, a supercapacitor, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Its biggest advantage is usability. It's designed to be easy to install and easy to operate. The Rove is unbeatable for simple interior monitoring, but if you're looking for true high-end 4K recording for the road, there's a much stronger option next. Coming in at number 3 is the Viofo A229 Pro, and this is where things get serious. The A229 Pro gives you 4K recording from the front and 2K from the rear, utilizing premium Starvis 2 image sensors. That combination captures more detail and reduces noise, especially in difficult lighting. This is important because you want footage that can actually help you identify important details like license plates and road signs. For connectivity, you get 5 GHz Wi-Fi to quickly transfer videos, plus an ultra-precise GPS system. And for parked protection, you get 3 parking modes, including buffered event detection. The 4K quality here is incredible, but stick around because number 1 features a massive storage technology you've probably never seen in a dash cam before. The A229 Pro is an easy choice if you just want excellent front and rear coverage, but the next camera gives you something it doesn't, a third lens. Taking the number 2 spot is the Vantrue N4 Pro S. If your priority is maximum coverage, this is one of the most impressive options here. It's a 3-channel 4K dash cam system. You get 4K in the front, 2.5K in the rear, and 1080p inside the cabin. All 3 cameras use Starvis 2 sensors, meaning you get premium low-light performance across the board. The cabin camera also uses infrared night vision to record passengers in total darkness. But what really stands out is the buffered 24/7 parking mode. When properly hardwired, all 3 cameras remain active, capturing footage from 10 seconds before an event even occurs. You're getting a lot of protection for your vehicle, along with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and precision GPS. If you want 3-channel coverage with serious parking protection, the N4 Pro S is excellent, but there's still one camera that beats it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Viofo A329S. This is the dash cam I'd pick if you want the most advanced overall package on this list. The A329S gives you 4K front, 2K cabin, and 2K rear recording, all utilizing Starvis 2 sensors. The cabin camera gives you an ultra-wide 210-degree view, making it incredibly useful for full interior coverage. Then there's the feature that makes the A329S completely stand out, Wi-Fi 6. This allows you to preview and download footage much faster. A 1-minute 4K video can be transferred in under 10 seconds. And here is that massive advantage I mentioned earlier, storage. The A329S supports up to a 4 terabyte external SSD, or up to a 512 gigabyte micro SD card. That gives you dramatically more storage flexibility than almost any other dash cam on the market. You're getting 4K front recording, Wi-Fi 6, massive SSD support, GPS, and low power parking protection all in one future-ready system. So, which one would you choose? All 5 5 dash cams have their own strengths, but the right choice ultimately depends on the features you need. I've put the product links in the description below so you can check the details before you buy. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And for more car gadgets, accessories, and product comparisons, subscribe to AutoRift and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.